All right, this next lesson is by request. Thanks for the request. This is No Woman, No Cry. This is off like the live version from the video of the Rainbow 1977. So some of the recordings of this are not exactly in tune with standard tuning, but this live version at the Rainbow is tuned exactly in tune. So it's a good one to play along with. It's a good 7-minute version. So we're gonna have this little walk up. So we have the 2 in the open, 3 and 2, 5 and 4, back to the 2 and open. Then we're gonna have a little picking pattern on this C chord. So I'm doing the 4th string and the 2nd string, and then the 3rd and the 1st. So those first 2 at the same time. So after I do the 4th and the 2nd, I go 3rd, 1st, 4th, 2nd, 3rd. Okay, and I use that thumb to come down for that. Now we're going to go to the G and do the same picking. Same with the A minor. But we're going to jump into that F quicker. So we got. And that one's going to kind of hit those 3 big strings on the F and go big, little, 3rd, 2nd. So let's start again from the C here. So we do that C pattern again, and then we go. Okay, so that high part was 5s on the 3rd string and 1st string, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, and open on the G and E string still. So you can slide into the 5s. You could hit a C there if you want. Or you could go a little pull off, 1, O to 1, and then go opens on the 3rd and 2nd, 2, 1, 4 and 3. So we got. So see how the A minor goes? Hit that big one and then switch to those big 3 on the F. So. You could also do another one. So that was 3 on the big one with 1 on the 2nd. And as I go 3, 2, open, I'm going 1, 3, and open. So we got contrary motion, moving in different directions at the same time. C, and then. So you got a couple of options there. Okay, so that is the chorus. That's the intro and the chorus. So they do that a whole bunch of times. Now coming into a verse, we're going to do the C, G, A minor, F, just over and over again 8 times. So we're going to have C, G, A minor, F, C, G, A minor, F. So it just keeps doing that. So let's take that for these last 2 times. Let's slow that way down. So let's try that. So we got the fourth and the second, and then we're going third, first, 4, 2, 3. So 3, 4. And then try that same thing with the G. 3, 4. And then we got our A minor, F, C, G, A minor. Okay, and then we'd be back to the chorus. That always has the walk down of its kind. More verse. So that's where we just do this C, G, A minor, F over and over. Okay, so after that verse has gone, it's 8 times. Then we're gonna get into like a reggae kind of a beat, like a. So kind of like a C, 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 G, 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 A minor, G. You could even like stop hitting that F ahead of time and like make it more on the beat. G, A minor, F. Okay, so it's like 4 times of that reggae thing, and then you're back in the chorus. So whenever they say "No Woman, No Cry," that's your chorus, and that's the one that has that little walk down. Okay, so one more time on that. We got. Just end it with one of those walk downs and you're all done. No Woman, No Cry, Bob Marley. That's from the live at the Rainbow Theatre, London, 1977. Check out that version. Like I say, you'll be right in tune with that one if you're tuned up normally. Thanks for watching Damon's Baritone Uke Joint, and we'll see you soon.